Hi, it's Lynne with Soft Squares. I received my box of treats from Pastry Shop Quilts today. Let's open it up. Here's our box. Here's my shirt. I'll give you time to read it. Go to my Etsy shop to get this. All right, let's open this up. I love getting the boxes. Treat box number 4. All right, here's our box. Treat box number 4, Winky Pop crabs. It will give you, okay, this Summertime Beachy box features Jen Klingwell's Winky Pop collection. It was inspired by her favorite Australian beach shores, Winky Pop. A cake pop will give you 2 more 10-inch squares for your Winky Pop crabs quilt. And so, let's see what's in this box. Also, yeah, look, so here's our popsicle. Here is the fabric. Does it say what it is? It doesn't. Oh yeah, this is by Jen Kingwell, but oh, we'll open that up. All right, and I love about these boxes is that they always give you a little mini charm pack of something different, but actually kind of coordinates. And it's fun just to get you a burst of something else. Oh, Coconut Dreams hand cream. This is by Riley Blake for quilting hands. I have seen this and had this before. We also have some purple thread and our bobbin saver, thread saver. And I love these, a bobbin boat. These are awesome. They hold your bobbins to keep them from going all over the place. And I happen to be standing next to these, and I'll show you what I love about them. Is look at this. You just stick your bobbins in and they don't come out. Isn't that cool? So I actually have a lot of rings and I don't think I'm gonna fill this up right now because I'm so excited to have this. And then I can put this aside for later. I think it might take one more. Do you think it'll take one more? The answer to that is no. That's all right. Okay, so there is our bobbin boat by Dritz. All right, and there's still stuff in the box. We have this sugar sucker. 1/2 yard of this really pretty plum color, which that looks like it matches. To complement your summertime beach, I've included a bobbin boat to hold your bobbins. I've loved using mine. There's a quilty tube of summertime lotion to keep you from drying out in this crazy summer heat. And to tie in with Winky Pop's Rocky Cliffs, an old-fashioned rock candy stick is included in your box for a tasty treat. There we go. A spool of thread is included with a spool hugger. Due to the short notice to turn the box out, perfect matching thread was a challenge. That's all right. So she's included Promenade by Three Sisters for your mini charm pack, and that's this. And that's from Sherry. Here's our pattern. And that's really cute. It's different than anything I've seen, which I like. Here's a general outline of the quilt. And that's cute. This looks like it is 64 by 64. For this, we are going to need 22 10-inch squares. That's what's in here, and we're going to open this up. Actually, there's going to be 20 in here and then 2 bonus. We need 2 1/3 for the background fabric, a 1/2 yard border fabric. So this must be the border. In fact, I'm going to guess because it happens to be the same color as what's there. A 1/2 yard for binding and 4 yards for the backing. Well, let's look at the fabric a little closer. First, I want to open this. That's really cute and cute little personal touch, and that they make these little lollipops. It's a lot of extra work just to get 2 fat quarters to us. I think it's cute. All right, so here's the 2 extra quarters. Look how pretty they are. I'm gonna put this one on top because it just blends right in with that purple, which is the whole point of putting them together. Okay. Now let's open this one. Winky Pop is the actual name of the layer cake. You know, I learned the hard way. It's super easy to do that. All right. Here's more of the fabric, and look at that. These are in the line. All right, so let's look at this closer. Got those 2. This is different. She said it's inspired by the beach in Australia, if I understood that correctly. These are kind of modern, but not like way out there wild, crazy. But they're different, and I like these. I would use them. That is really interesting. So it matches this other one we just got. Oh, here's that bluish print that's now available in that stripe, and how I'm seeing the little, I'm gonna call these pebbles. So here are the ones we just saw in the other colorway up here coming out, and then there's another line, another color. We've got like olive green, which even though I saw a hint of it up there, I didn't see this one coming. I've got my pile turned upside down, so it's a surprise to me when these pop up. Okay, still got a couple more. Oh, wow. Again, this color is up there, but I'm not expecting these colors to be together, and I like what they've done. This is impressive and fun. Yeah, cute, very cute. So there it is. I hope you can see all those colors. My screen doesn't let me see all the time. So here's what we have. Okay, fabric, pattern, sucker, lotion, thread, and thread saver. Here's the fabric line. We get our bobbin boat minus the bobbins, I put those in, and then our promenade little charm pack. It's by Moda. So if I can find the swatch that will show you what they are, I'll try to include that in the video, but just know it's called Promenade. All right, well, thanks, Sherry, for another awesome box. If you guys want to sign up for this, it will be, the link will be in the description below. Well, guys, let me know if you like this and what you think about the color combination. I'm actually really liking it. All right, check the links below and comment. Thanks, have a great day.